boy. First time driving on the island. They just opened this boy up, man. We're gonna drive all the way back to my mom's, man. More continuous video. That's how long this walk was, man. This shit's still wrecked out here. But man, it beats walking. I'm rolling 20 right now. Kentucky in the house. The dope rhyme. Oh yeah, baby. We're gonna be helping some people out here. For sure. Walking this whole damn trek. Minute long already. He's still out here. They don't stop. Boarded up, waiting for this next one to come. Get our stuff out while we can. Whatever we saved is whatever we got left. It ain't much, but it's better than nothing. Woo! God, I don't miss this walk. Not at all. There's Mobile Beach access. Purple House. Here we go. About to get on the block. Just like that. Yeah, boy. Let's get our stuff.